So, welcome my little dusties to this week's, well, that went well, didn't it? This week's video. So this week we have Massey Ferguson tractor 135. So one of the common ones. Customer's got this one and he's got a little grey Fergie. So the Fergie he got for his 70th birthday present. This one he wants to get done before he can't do it anymore. So yeah, we've just got it in. They've steam cleaned the life out of it, stripped it back for us, and there it is. Done a good job. It's really nice and clean, ready for us. The fiddly, there's lots of bits all over the place, but hey, it's what it is, isn't it? So they've done lots of masking for us. The clocks they can't get out of the dash because all the old capillary, they're not electronic. They've got all these little capillary pipes going up there, and they're worried if you start breaking it off, is it going to start leaking? So I just said to them, usual thing, masking tape, duct tape. Oh, I needed that. It's freezing today. It's just been the British summer. So yeah, they've masked everything up, inlets, clocks, you name it. So it's all ready for us to blast on with it. It's going to be a fun one. It's very, very sketchy. Lifting it up with a forklift to try and get the jacks under it, because those wheels, they're oversized wheels. They're huge. And I don't know if it really showed on the camera, but I could only lift it up with one fork and the fork was bendy. I know they're designed to bend and spring a little bit. Got my throat. But they were proper bending. But we're there, we're on axle stands. We seem quite solid, as I've got to lay under it a bit. And yeah, we're going to hit all of that. We've got the wheels to do as well. We've got the bonnet. We've got loads of panels and bits to do as well. So let's get cracked on, really. Let's have a quick look around it, see what state it's in, and get kitted up and blast it. I want to get this bit blasted and primed as quick as I can, because then I can get it out. It's tying the room up at the minute and I can't do anything around it. Got the next car coming, basically Hillman Imp estate, but it's not Hillman Imp, it's we'll go through that. Right, let me get the forklift out. Let me do my shoelace up before I kill myself. But I'll get the forklift out and let's have a look. Right, so here we go, and I've got to apologise. This video does suffer badly for some black lining on the screen. I don't know how to get around this. I'm trying my best changing lights, but I do apologise. What do you do? So you can see it's proper little fiddly to get round, but we just have to keep biting away and look for the bits we've missed. And again, here we go. A little bit of black lining. Oh, I'm sorry about that. But under all that rust and paint, she's quite sweet. Oh, needed that. Right, so, oh, that camera's a bit weird. That's that bit done. So I've done the chassis, I've done the wheels, because I can prime it up now and get it out, because I've actually got some other tractor and, oh, the camera's really weird today. Tractor and some Vespa bits, there's loads of bits around. So if I can get that out, I can get the other panels in for this and we can knock that all off, all separate. What is that doing? I must be the, sorry, don't mean to make you feel sick, that's that. Yeah, anyway, so as you can see, it's come up all right. It's very fiddly. I filmed as much as I could, but trying to get you guys in like here and trying to get in here myself, it's quite hard work. And I get to the point where I had to in one blast, get the wheels done, get the thing done to get it out. If I ended up having to do another blast, it just makes it more awkward, because I now want, before I go home tonight, get this all primed up. I've got to mask them wheels off, which is going to be a complete headache. They need at least 1 2-inch strip of masking tape, if not 2. And they've obviously got to get in through that lip. Used to do a lot of lorries, and the wife will tell you what it's like masking it up. My boy's really good, my daughter is horrendous. Can't absolutely mask a wheel up for toffee. Right, so yeah, as you can see, pretty good. Manifolds come up nice, the exhaust, inlet's nice, all the alley. But being a tractor, what they tend to do is chuck it everywhere. So we've got a few little bits to mask up. The gaiters on the gear stick, a few little bits and pieces I'm going to go around now. So I'm going to probably spend the next couple of hours, which is going to be like a couple of seconds for you, and let's get it primed up. but on a whole, she's looking quite sweet. Right guys, so what you just saw me doing the tractor was Thursday, with little man not well on the back of the van. It's Monday afternoon now. I've not been about. Long story short, on Friday we lost George. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, we lost George on Friday. Can't say much more than that. Too hard. So I'm a bit backlogged. Tractor's all in place, ready there. But where I was coming in Friday, I thought I was dropping them off to come and do a blast. We picked little man up. Unfortunately, we lost him. I went to my best mates, and that was it. So I've got to finish off the front panel today. Apologies to everybody that's been waiting, and I've been a bit radio silent. I'm going to try and do a TikTok and a short in a minute, just to let people know. But honestly, I'm broken. So probably the rest of this video, got to do these panels and, oops, that's gone. Get them primed, and then that'll be ready to go. So I'm probably just going to say here, guys, thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. Right, well, I thought I'd just say our final, all done job. So, all the little tractor parts there are all done, all come out really nice. Well, especially there, like pig iron, a lot of the stuff there. And the bonnet's come out really good, considering how sore it looked. Yeah, all inside, upside down. So that's pretty good. So thank you guys, appreciate you watching. If you got this far, it was a miracle. So, if you like what you see and you keep coming back, Jim, what should they do? Yeah, as Jim says, please share, like, subscribe. As I say, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Next video will probably be, I can't think what it is. It's a Hillman Imp estate. I think it's a Husky Imp. Colin will tell me. But yeah, that's probably the next one you're going to see. So take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.